Okay, it is 61.3 at the timer. Turn it on. Let's give station 4 a couple of minutes. Now watch this shit. Look at that. Water hammer. Turns on and off real quick. Don't. I don't know why. We'll try it a little bit when it gets a little warmer next time. Doesn't matter what station either. Like, let's try 7. 7, same shit. I don't think that's good for the PVC either. I just held on to this, so that's why it's 76, but it's really 62 or 3 or whatever. Alright, onward and upward. Okay, it's gotten a little bit warmer here. We got 67.6, and guess what? It's not doing it anymore. There you go. No hammer. No on and off. That is so frickin' weird. Anyway, onward and upward.